Hey guys, welcome to RAWatCraft. So today we'll be making this beautiful earrings. So we are starting. So I have taken one strip and I have folded it because I'll be needing the strip size of 4.5 centimeters. So one strip is of 4.5 centimeters. So now I'll be taking my quiller, and you can just roll it with the help of quiller, or else you can just give it a curl, and you can also roll it with your hands. If you're not having a quiller with you, then you can roll it with your hands also. And here I'm converting it into a teardrop shape by pinching it from one side. Now I'm gluing it. So this is the way you have to do. Like if you're not having quiller, so you can take any round tool and then you can give it a round curl like this, and then you can just do it with your hands like this, and then just convert it into a teardrop shape by pinching it from one side, and it's done. So one of my petals is ready, and now I have to create 6 petals like this for creating one flower. Okay, so I'm just getting my petals ready. You can also do it the same way. So all my petals are ready, and now I'll be sticking them all together. So you can see how we can paste them together so that they don't come out. So I'm just taking the glue and I'm putting the glue on both sides of one petal, and now I'm taking 2 petals, like one from one side and other from the other side, like both from left and right. And now I'm again taking one more petal and again putting the glue on both of its sides, and then I'll be pasting it like this. So same way you can do. So here I have taken light peach shade. If you want to make it more colorful, you can like take different shades also. Okay, so here I have taken like I'm making the flower from the same color petals. If you want, you can take on different colors also. So here my flower is ready, and now here you'll see some magic. So yes, here are some more flowers. I've created some more flowers. You have to create more flowers like this. So these are basically the 8 flowers, and now I'll be sticking all of them together to make one pair of earring, to make one earring basically. Okay, we'll be needing 2 for the pair. So here I'm sticking them all together, you can see. So here I have used 2 colors, white and light peach shade. So if you want, you can take different colors also if you want to make it more colorful, and if you want, you that earring should go with all of your dresses. Or else if you want to make it like your dress matching, you can go with the colors that are there in your dress or that you like. So here I'm taking one more strip, and please do like, share and subscribe the channel for more updates and more tutorial videos like this. So I've taken one white strip of 4.5 centimeters, same size, and now I'm rolling it like this so that there'll be space in between. So it is basically like a loop, and we'll be putting our hook in between that so that the earrings can be in its full form. So here it is. So basically that was a paintbrush that I have taken. You can take any round object that you have, and you can just roll it, roll the strip around it. Okay, so now this loop is ready, and now I'll be moving forward. I'll be taking my hook. So here is my hook. Okay, so I'll be just like putting this inside the main hook, and now inside my loop. Okay, and now you can just do it with your hands, or if you're unable to like move it with your hands, you can use any instrument like tweezers or something which you have. So now I'll be pasting it like this. Okay, so just take some glue and just paste it like this, and your earring will be then ready. Don't forget to see the final look. So here I am just pasting it, and like when you're pasting it now, just hold it for like few seconds or even a minute so that it can get pasted properly, or else leave it on the side. So here is the earrings are ready, and I have created one more like this that I'll be showing you. Like I'll be showing you 2 of them together so you can have a look. And please do subscribe this channel RAWatCraft, or if any of your family member or neighbors are interested in like these crafts, you can just let them know about this channel. I'll be bringing more videos like this, more tutorials. Okay, and maybe in a more better way. So thank you so much for